I'm going to say it in English so that you can get it properly, because I'm pretty sure that many of you right there in Rwanda, you are now speaking English. And I'm going to say it in a language that you can get, that your children can get it properly. If you are coming in our land to try to rip our people out from the original land, you have to know we will kill all of you. If you are 1 million, we will kill all of you there. If you have 2 million, we will kill all of you there in our territory. The Congo people never come to Rwanda to try to push people from Rwanda out of their land. Whatever business deal you are making with Mbochis Albert, his son, that we will kill him, we will kill that guy, we will kill him in a very bad manner. Huh? This has to be very clear. You can go cry to Biden, President Biden, you can go cry to Macron, Emmanuel, Jean-Michel Frédéric, you can go cry to Justin Trudeau. We will kill all of you guys. This is our people. As you can see, this is the guiding of the Congo Federation, the new country that we have put in place. This is not in a public place. Why we don't want to put it in public place? Because there is so many information here, critical information. Only partner has have this document. You understand? Every guidance, how we gonna govern our territory, our people, how we gonna protect our people, how we gonna be running our natural resources, it is inside this document. And we are pretty clear. We never come to Rwanda to try to push people of Rwanda out of there. It's always Rwanda is coming on people's territory. They have killed more than 20 million right there in the east of the DRK. And now, Mbochis Albert, alias Sassou Nguesso Denis, with his family, they have killed about 4 million of our people. And now, this is the breaking point. We cannot accept that our land can be taken away, given to the Rwanda people. If you are in that plan, you have to remember, you have to back up. We are pretty clear. We will kill all the Rwandese people that will be coming in our land. This is just a matter. This is just a beginning. As you can see, our people start to cry. The Rwandese are here. But the time will come. Right? We are looking guns, military, heavy-duty military equipment. That's why we are talking English. We are pretty clear. Why? Because our people are signing for this new country. You understand? And I'm pretty sure Paul Kagame has to understand this. But if he doesn't want to listen, your people will be the dead people in our land. We are pretty clear. No one will accept this. I'm pretty sure. Even here in Canada, where I am, if people coming overseas and try to sell the land here in Canada, without the approval of the Aboriginal people, I'm pretty sure that so many people will be on the street. There will be a lot of protest. People will never accept it. If you are really the son of that country, the son of that land, you'll be fighting for your people, for your land. And this is clear. We have done nothing wrong. We are clear here. That's our land. We get from our ancestors. We are fighting for it. We never go kill somebody else in a different country, different territory. We just want to protect our people. And if really you think about it, you will be on our side. But if you don't think about it, it means you are our enemy. And if you are our enemy, we will gun you down. That's opposition. And we are in public. We're saying all of this clearly. We are not afraid of anybody because we know that we are in the side of the law. Right? We have just to protect our people. It's a self-defense. You cannot come and occupy people's territory, try to rip them out of their land. It doesn't make any sense. Mbochis Albert, the guy that you are calling Sassou Nguesso Denis, is not from the Congo territory. He was born in Benin. And the French colonization brought him in our Congo territory. Now you have seen, like, there is so many pictures. He went to Côte d'Ivoire because his father was from Côte d'Ivoire. And he wanted to take his seat over there. Right? So picture is going on. I don't know if I have a chance, so I'm just going to bring it in so you can see that. Right? So this is where he went back to take his citizenship in Côte d'Ivoire. Right? So, and this has happened just a couple of months. Right? You see, he's here now. He went to Côte d'Ivoire. They're calling there like the owner of, he has become the owner of land in Côte d'Ivoire. This is the guy you calling Sassou Nguesso Denis. As you can see that he has a king crown on his head. He has a king crown. And this is in Côte d'Ivoire. So he's not from us. And he doesn't have the power to take our land and try to give it to Rwanda. No, because none of Congo ancestors has approved it. Even the people from what the so-called government that belong to the Congo territory never signed it. Our grandparents, our people never signed for it. Never signed for it. Right? And this is it's called terrorism. We will kill this guy. We will gun him down. We will kill this guy. We will kill his family. We will kill everybody that is trying to do this. This is our self-defense. We haven't done anything wrong, but we want our people to live in their territory. We don't want our people to travel, right? Coming in the US, so they can become like illegal immigrant. We do not want to send our people in Canada so they can become illegal immigrant. We did not send our kid, Congo kid, trying to cross the sea and coming to Europe so that they can become illegal immigrant. We want our young people to stay on their territory, work on their territory. So the benefit of our natural resources can be shared among the people. That's what we want. But when you have a guy like that, he's been protected by the French for so many years. He has still so many money. And at the last minute of his life, he's almost a dead man. He's probably 85 years old. And he tried with his son, trying to sell our land. No, enough is enough. We must stop this. And we are pretty clear. We will kill Kagame. We will kill the Rwandese people that are coming in our land. This is just a matter of time. The Congo people are walking around the world. They will bring heavy-duty military equipment there so they can fight for the land. They can fight for the people. They can fight for natural resources. That's the only thing we can do. And we are on the right side. It's called legitimate defense.